What's up, you guys? I'm going to try to keep today's episode a little short because I'm actually feeling a little under the weather. It's allergy season and they're just kicking my ass right now. So, let's hop right in. This happened the other day here. I was editing my last video and while I do that, I like to sit in our kitchen, or not our kitchen, our dining room, and I, bring my laptop with me. I edit on there, and with my laptop, I can actually join chats with people on Xbox Live. So I did that, and I was talking to my other roommate, and I stopped to use the bathroom at one point, and I was gone for a few minutes. And he said while I was gone, he heard what sounded like somebody picking up my headset, putting it on, and then putting it back down, at which point the echo stopped because the mic picks up the sound that comes through the speaker. So, yeah, that happened. Also, after that, he heard, some tapping and shit. And then I, of course, had to come down here and sit for the last 25 minutes of doing work. But yeah, that happened. It's just reinforcing the fact that I think my house is possessed by a demonic spirit, and I really hope that saying this doesn't wake it up, because that would freaking suck. Let's see, what else have I been up to lately? I don't know, a lot of gaming, a lot of working. This weekend I'm gonna go and see the Scorch Trials, so that should be interesting, to say the least. I mean, I personally don't want to see it. Me and my roommates are going out of town to spend a day in the city, and then they decided that we should go see a movie. I agreed, and then they were like, what should we see? I was all like, let's go see The Visit, because that actually looks good. I'd like to see Shyamalan's comeback, even though I've heard it's trash. And they were like, Scorch Trials is in theaters, let's go see that. So we're gonna go see that, and then we struck a deal where next time I picked the movie, and I picked About Ray, and I actually really want to see it. I'm super hyped for it. I cannot wait. Yeah, but I cannot wait to go see About Ray. I guess I have to go watch The Maze Runner after I'm done recording this. Actually, I have to eat some pizza and watch The Maze Runner after I'm done recording this because I'm starved. Yeah, last night at work, my car, I just got a new car, by the way. Not that new car, but it's new to me. It's a piece. It is garbage, but it gets me from home to work because those are the only two places that I go. Last night at work, me and another one of my buddies, Jared, and another one of my buddies, Blake, we were sitting outside, and there was a milk carton sitting, not a milk carton, there was a old water jug sitting on top of my car for a gallon of water. It smelled absolutely terrible, so I set it up there, and I was like, I'll just leave it there till the wind blows it off. Wind didn't blow it off, so Jared pulls a katana out of the back of his car and just runs up to it and full-on ninja slashes it. It was pretty badass. I enjoyed the hell out of it. He looked happy as hell, like a little kid with candy. Alright guys, so I just watched the first Maze Runner movie, and I finished it, and I had to react to somebody, and one of my housemates is at work, and the other one is upstairs and sound asleep. So I'm reacting to you. Where do I start? Man, I'm gonna go ahead and say I actually didn't like the movie. I can see why some people do, but it doesn't appeal to me. It's just, it's like the Hunger Games. The third movie, you already know, is gonna be in two different parts. The second movie is gonna be the same thing as the first, but with a slight twist, except, this time instead of in a maze, it looks like they're in the desert, or maybe on Mars. Yeah, that's it for my reaction. I'm now just that much less excited for Scorch Trials, but I'm gonna sit there, I'm gonna watch it, because, we made a deal, and you stick to those. So I'm gonna try to be positive about it and going with a good mindset. Hopefully it's not what, in my opinion, was as bad as the first one. We'll see. I will probably react to it whenever. This weekend, actually, since I'm going to see it then. Yeah, that's it for the whole Maze Runner thing. You know what? Maybe I'll bring my camera with me, and I'll just vlog our time in the city, in the Rochester. Because, why the hell not? yeah, but I guess that's it for now. You guys have a good one. I had fun doing this. I hope you had fun watching this. I'll see you next time. Oh, and before I go, new videos will be posted every Tuesday and Saturday. They will be probably in the later hours just because of the schedule that I work and sleep on. So if you're a night person, look for them probably after 11. Yeah, probably after 11 p.m. Wednesday nights into Thursday mornings and Saturday nights into Sunday mornings, and that's it. You guys are great. Thank you for watching this. It means the world to me. You have a good one. I'm going to go to bed now. So, yeah. Bye, guys.